I'm not distracting you, am I?
Not at all. Oh, shit. Let's get this a little bit more easy to work with here. Come on. Nice puppy. Okay, let's try this method instead. Yep. Okay, that's one. Look at that, it's right side up, huh?
It is.
I'm just poking fun.
Looks wrong side up to me.
Okay.
Nice. Smells bad.
It's the curry. Well, you weren't talking about my breath. Oh, okay.
I and my grandpa are thinking that we'd still have card names.
Oh yeah, totally.
I told him I didn't think that would change.
I'm just going to use this for a moment. I think I might redo this one. It doesn't look very good.
I think we ought to just put the right one in there too, since I mean it's.
Well, you should pilot it. You know, you might find it runs fine, and then you can use it for a different collision somewhere down the road.
Different collision.
I guess. Well, I guess the motors may not be the same in the new drone. I guess is a possibility.
No, it might. They might work on your Mini too, though.
Quite likely, they'll look identical.
Oh, they don't look identical.
So they do look identical.
Oh.
Just gonna do this one a little better.
Oh.
I need to take this spot because I didn't like the way that laid out. It's a little better. And there. Shift it on me down. Okay, try that again. Slipped. Did it again. Get it on. Okay. Just gonna get that little dabby do, but that sucker's gonna jump on me as soon as I get it hot. So, what can I do to hold it there? Let's try. Just holding it like that. I'm just gonna.
There's a clamp thingies here if you need them. Ugh.
It's good stuff.
Oh, you're taking on your curry breath?
Mm-hmm. Yuck. Disgusting.
The curry breath? Or the smoke coming off?
The cancer breath of the solder.
Okay, how does that look?
Sorry, Chewy, there's not too much to share in this meal.
Sorry, Chewy. It's bad for you.
I think that'll work. What do you think? Is that acceptable?